Welcome back everyone! It's day 4 of our Advent Calendar countdown. Let's see what surprise we have today. Time to open door 4. Wow, it's a dance party invitation. Today we're going to have a holiday dance party. Let's clear some space and get ready to dance. I'll show you some fun holiday dance moves. Follow along with me. That was so much fun! Thanks for dancing with me today! We'll open another door and find out what's next. Bye!